In today's fast-changing times, everyone is facing the impact of inflation. While expenses are increasing on one hand, savings are not being made at all, for which everyone is trying to increase their means of income. Some are forced to work in double shifts, while there are some people who are working on many projects at a time. At the same time, even after all this, there is a shortage of money. If you also want to save money and want a good savings at the end of every month, then you need to reduce your expenses. Reducing expenses never means that you stop using your food and drink and essential items or cut them down. Many times we do not recognize our unnecessary expenses due to lack of information and are unable to save due to excessive expenses. Today, we are going to tell you some golden rules, by following which you can easily increase your savings manifold, so that at the end of the month a good amount will be deposited in your bank account. And by investing it in right place, you can increase it manifold. Number 1. Monthly budget. Once you have come to know that how much money you are spending where and in waste, then you will know from this where you have to save your savings. What we mean here is that you should make your monthly budget. You should think before, and that where you should invest how much money. Once you get to know about how much is spent in a month, then you can make a budget according to that record. After making a budget, you can control your expenses and expenses that exceed the limit. If you cannot sit with a copy pen daily to write what and where has been spent, then you can download any app from Play Store and update it daily that how much money you have spent. Those people who really want to save should always take out some money from their salary and make the budget of the house with the remaining amount. All types of expenses should be written in this budget so that if there is any expenditure without necessary, then it can be stopped. Number 2. Leave expensive and bad habits. You have to give up those habits that you have kept only for hobby, due to which a large part of your salary is spent in those things. We want to say here that if you have any habits like smoking cigarette or drinking alcohol, then you should reduce the use. It is bad for your health, as well as it will not let you save money as well. There are also many people who smoke 1 or 2 packets of cigarettes a day and also drink alcohol in the evening, due to which they not only get many types of diseases, but when they need money, then they don't have a penny. So you should leave such expensive habits. By doing this, your money will also be saved and your health will also be good. Number 3. Continue EMI of closed loan. Do not stop EMI if you have repaid any of your loans. That is to say, you no longer need to pay that EMI to your lender. Rather, you can continue to pay that EMI yourself. You can invest that EMI money in mutual funds, stock market, or any other place. Cultivating the habit of savings might be a bit difficult for you, but trying to inculcate such a habit can help you create a huge amount of money along with financial security. Number 4. Do online shopping. You can also save some money through online shopping, because you get some discount at the time of online shopping, as well as you also get return policy. So if you do not like that, then you can return it. And if you do offline shopping, then you will have to pay the fare for going to that shop separately, as well as you will not get any discount, and also you will not get a chance to return the goods you do not like. Therefore, try as much as you can to shop from the one who is giving us a discount. Online shopping saves your time and money both. Number 5. Don't spend money on things you don't use. There are many such people who buy anything out of passion and hobby, after which they regret that they should not have brought it. Like many people take gym membership for years and they go only 2-3 times in a year. If you have subscribed to a magazine but do not read it, then stop such subscription. Then in such a place you will have to save yourself from spending extravagantly, if you do not waste your money by buying something that will not work for you. Even with these small things, you can make a big savings. Then friends, that's all for today, but if you want to know about many more ideas about money saving, then do not forget to comment below and subscribe our channel to get our video first, and also like the video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.